Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about a search engine that is considered as Google alternative named as Yandex. It's abbreviation of two words, yaw and index, which means yet another indexer. The company started their journey in 90s and developed their services with the time and now considered as Google alternative. In the video, we will tell you how to install Yandex, how it looks, and tell you about Yandex features. So let's start with the video. Open any browser on your laptop or PC. Search Yandex Browser. Here you see different results. Click this result. Site is open. Download Yandex Browser. It takes a little time. We skip this time for you. Yandex is downloaded. Now start to install. Click install. Features of this browser. It provides security. Provide active security technology. Warns you about online threats. Keep your passwords, payments and money transfers safe. Video backgrounds. Select a background from the browser's collection or pick an image from gallery. Speed. Whenever your connection speed is low, turbo mode switch on, compressing large files. Zen recommendations feed. News, videos and articles personalized to your interest. Secure payments. Keep cyber criminals from intercepting your payment information. Reader mode. Remove all irrelevant images, pop-ups and ads from the page. Browser is installed now. Browser is opening now. Here it will to make this browser default browser. I skip this for now. Here it shows how you can turn off lights when watching video on YouTube. Here is the new tab for Yandex browser. Search anything in browser. I searched as car. It shows results in Bing. If you want to change the search engine, go to settings. Go down. Here change the search engine, Google or Yandex as you want. Now search again. Now it shows results in Google. Now we open Yandex browser or Yandex search engine. It just seems like Google. It shows images, video, mail, maps, AppMetrics and Translate. We search cars here. Here it shows results just like Google. Also give the option to select Bing or Google. Here it shows the images. It gives different options. And select size, orientation, type, color, format, recent photos, wallpaper, If you want to search images on a specific site, you can put address here. Reset all the settings. So this is how you can search on Yandex images, Yandex videos. Here it shows the video results related to car. Here are the results. On the side it shows a video with large thumbnail. Now Yandex Maps is just like Google Maps. Search results for cars. It shows the traffic result. You see the green lines for traffic. It's the option just like Street View. Here we click on the result. Now click over here. It's preparing to show Street View just like Google Maps Street View. Here it shows map, satellite, hybrids, measure distance. You can share maps from here. Log into Yandex. Yandex Translate. It's just like Google Translate. Here you can see the results. It's app on iPhone and Android. Here you can translate any website. Put the address. Or you can translate any image. Put the image here. Here it shows the Yandex disk option. It's just like Google Drive. You can create an account here and save your files in a disk or a cloud. Share your moments, documents, and all the other things. Here is the Yandex Mail option. You can create an account just like Gmail. Create an account here. Put your first name, surname, and all other information. And here it created my account. I just see like Gmail. Select the themes. Here is my email address. Here it shows the conversions tab, purchase tab, travel, social. Categorize the emails. Here is the setting option. We will discuss these settings in upcoming videos. Here it shows the all. We have discussed all others except AppMetrica. AppMetrica is just like Google Analytics, a service presented by Yandex. We will create video related to this in our upcoming videos and discuss AppMetrica. So this is how Yandex look like, and we have told you how it works. It's just like Google and considered as Google alternative. Please tell us what you think about this search engine. May you consider this as Google alternative or not. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yeah.